Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to use Omegle on phone. Why do you want to know how to use Omegle on phone? Well, maybe you're not able to use it over your phone, that's why. So today I will show you how to use Omegle on phone easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to link the written in section there. So just go to any of the browser. I will choose the Brave browser and just go to the home here. Okay, and you can just Google or any of the, and here you have to type Google omegle.com. Okay, now here you can see my Omegle has been opened. I will get the option to start a video and make sure that you check mark. Okay, basically this is the agreements. They have the terms and condition. If you want to read, you can just click any of the link and that's it. Now click on continue. You have to give access of your microphone for the audio and the camera to show yourself. Just click on continue and here you can just start talking them. Right here on the left bottom there is option of new. Okay, sometimes you will get banned from the Omegle, so you can fix it. For example, if I want to fix it, then basically you have to change your internet. Right, if I'm using my Wi-Fi, you have to use the mobile data and that's it. So this is the only reason, and sometimes you can use a VPN. Right, so there you go guys. If you want to know how to use Omegle on phone, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to use Omegle on phone, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.